All right, it is time to do a CSS battle for October 9th. Okay, let's do YLE. It's a box. I so want to use border image, but I so am bad at it. Let's try. Probably gonna fail. That's okay. Background, yellow. Border, I don't know, 50 pixels, not dash. 50 pixels, solid. Let's just target the HTML for now. I don't think, well, obviously I don't have to give it a color and it's black. That's okay. Margin, 50, 60. It's different on the sides, 80. Okay. Border image. Let's just start simple. Linear gradient, red, blue. Now that gets me a border image in all the corners because I haven't specified a slice. So slice ends up being 100%. I don't know why that makes sense, but it does. If I say slice of 1, then that image is the entire border. If it's 2, or if it's 10. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. What if it's 50? That look different. What if it's 10%? What if it's 50%? What if it's 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%? Wow. All right. Clearly I'm dumb. What if it's 40%, 10%? No, let's make this at an angle. Let's make this at 45 degrees. And does this matter? 50. Yes, it matters. 40. 1. Okay, that's moving it around. I'm not sure how, but it's moving it. So let's try changing the gradient to a conic gradient. It's going to go transparent 25%. And then this blue color, 75%. So that's interesting. What if it's that? Okay, that's kind of the right shape. It's in the wrong place, but it's kind of the right shape. It's not big enough. Did it get smaller? 60, evidently. What if this is now 30%? That doesn't change anything. 10%? Doesn't change anything. 50. Okay, that's going the wrong way. 10. 5. What's this one? 20. 10. 5. That's not 5. What if it's not percent? What if it's just numbers? 1. 1. Can I just move this and just say 1? Maybe. If it was at, put a comma in there, at 75%, 40%, 35, 80, getting closer. What if these were pixels? What if that's 100 pixels? 150 pixels, 180 pixels. 200 pixels. What if this one, I don't know what 35% is in pixels. Let's start with 100. 140. Too much. 80. 70. 60. Okay. Still don't know really what I'm doing, but I have a thing. Can I have another one? I don't know. Let's just do a linear gradient to see if it works. Red, blue, 1. I think it doesn't work at all. I think it's broken. I think border image may not work the same way as background. I may not be able to do multiples. That's okay. Or maybe I'm just too dumb to do it. Let's try one more thing. Ooh, okay. Let's see what that is. Let's try the linear gradient. Red, blue, 1. Just broken. Now I forgot what numbers I had. Oh, because the numbers are over there where they should be. Okay. What are this end up being? 70? Just redo. There. All right, there's that. We're going to leave that where it is. All right, so now we just need, all we need is the arrowhead. Triangle. Triangle cloning. So we're going to do star selector. We're going to outline 1 pixel solid, margin minus 80, 60. This one's going to be 50. This one's going to be 50, 60. This one's going to be less than 50. Is that right? Let's make this one 0 first. Okay, this one's going to be minus 60. And then this one's going to be 60. Nope. 100. So if I don't think I need it to be that wide, I don't need it to be that wide. This one I think can be less, 60. Nope, I'm doing the wrong one. Always with me. 40. That looks right. So now I'm going to say background. Conic gradient. It's going to be from 90, 180. I don't know if that's a 90 degree or not. Let's call it 215. From 215. Red, blue. Let's just get something working because right now it's nothing working. Let's say degrees here. It doesn't take it. Okay, that's the wrong thing, but that's okay. 225. It's going to be baby blue for 25%. And then it's going to be transparent for 0.75%. And it's going to be at 50%. No, it's going to be at right. Okay, now the angle needs to change, and that's okay. How's that? Yeah. To 45, 46, 44. 44 actually looks right. It's not going to be 75%. It's going to be, that's not going to be 25% is the thing. This is going to be 20, 15, 16, 14, 15, 45 degrees, 50, 53. Let's get rid of the outline. See if that matches well enough. All right, 10 minutes. Not quite. 53, 54 is worse, 53.5. That doesn't look better. Let's try making this to 45. That looks worse. Let's make this now 53. Still looks worse. That actually looks pretty good. There we go. Okay, there is a match. I don't see a lot of places to save. We use the word background only twice, so making that a variable is not going to help us. 60 pixels. Not going to be any shorter. What is 60 in Q? 64? May work. It looks like it's going to work. 200 pixels is 50 VW. 60 might be 64Q. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay. Not going to mess with this or this. Yellow is the background and baby blue is that. That's 6 away. I don't think that's going to work. What about yellow and dark blue? Probably not. For the diff. No, probably not. Nope. Let's undo that. All right. Looks like we minify 221. I don't love it. I may play with this one some more. Yeah, I may play with this one some more. But that's going to be it for now. 13 minutes. We're going to call that good for now. Okay. I'm back. I played with this for a minute. Let me undo what I've done. The timer's still running. But I wanted to use border image. I did use border image. It's not the best thing to do. Okay. So here's what I did. Got rid of all the border image code. Whoops, code. All the border image code. Which left me with this shape. Which means I need to put the blue back in the border here. Now, instead of having just this baby blue arrow, I can use yellow in as the rest of the triangle. Then I just need to adjust that shape a bit. So that's going to be bigger. This is going to be, nope, not that one. This one? Nope, wrong way. 40. I think that gives me the right dimensions on the notch. Then I need to adjust this. So it's going to be at, I don't know. I just typed them in, so I should be able to remember 2 pixel values, but I can't. 40 pixels. 30. 30 looks right. 60. 60 looks right. Let's submit that one. And and 30 pixels. There's not a good conversion for 10BW. Let's try 64Q again. 64Q. As long as we're doing that, let's try 32Q. That's going to be sketchy. 64 works. Does the 32 work? Nope. Try 33 just for grins. I don't think that's going to help. 30 pixels. Also, I don't need that 75 at all. All right, that's better. So we're just going to minify, hit submit. And that one's at least better. So my desire to use border image, while workable, did not come up with the best solution. This probably isn't the best solution either, but it's better than that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.